morning, guys. We are starting this vlog off in a very hectic way. I feel like the kitchen is a disaster, and look at this. I always bring my coffee before I take Callie out to go potty. So I started my coffee, I went to get Callie potty, and there's like, as you can see, this place is a disaster. There were like barely any clean dishes or any clean mugs. So I had to use this one, which is smaller than normal, but I was like, it'll be fine. It was not fine. Isn't this a cute mug though? Annie got this for Tim. I figured that out. Tim is at the gym, by the way. Tim is at the gym. And then also, number 3 as to why this is a hectic morning is I don't know where the heck the little like tripod, what's it called? Like the thing that attaches to my camera to attach it to my tripod. I don't know where that little piece is. I literally searched this entire condo. I have no idea. I mean, clearly I didn't search the entire condo because like it's somewhere, but I couldn't find it. So we're gonna have to like DIY a tripod. How does that look? It is Sunday morning. I just like to say I am thoroughly embarrassed at how messy this place is, but we're going to clean it up together. Not only are we filming this YouTube video, we're also going to make TikToks of everything. So if you're not following me on TikTok, you totally should. Yesterday, I actually hit 10,000 followers, and then I also hit 11,000 followers yesterday, which was great. Like, I was literally so excited. I am so excited. I will be so excited. I'm rambling. I haven't had any coffee this morning yet. Okay. All right. I need to find figure out how to do this. Idea. I'm gonna take it and put it in here. Let me bring y'all closer because I feel like you can't see anything. I have a strong feeling that this is going to spill on the ground. Not on the ground, on the counter. But that's okay, we'll wipe it up. Oh wait, did I get it? Oh shoot! Okay, well that was annoying. I really was, okay. What did I tell you? Hectic morning. We're just gonna clean that up right now. Could be like an ad for paper towels. Get your paper towels from Costco. They work really well. See, Callie endorses that message. Ooh, now it smells like coffee. Kind of actually like that. To just add on to this hectic morning. I mean, it's not a bad morning. It's a good morning. It's just hectic. And things kind of keep going wrong. I was just thinking like, oh, I'd really like some iced coffee. Well, that's where my ice maker is. So clearly I cannot have any ice in my coffee because there is no ice made. I'm putting you back over here again. That's okay. We're just gonna have hot coffee. Oh, you are zoomed. That's better. We are just going to take this coffee and we will put it back in this mug. I'm gonna wipe it down first though. Now it's not actually hot enough to drink as hot coffee, but that's okay. Ooh, I like doing that. That's fun. Dripping again. And it's at the rim again. Actually, this works really well as a tripod. I think we may bring my smoothie maker around the condo with us today. Well, let me show you this. Actually, let me go get my phone so I can show you. Take my coffee with me. I'll be right back. All right, look how perfect this is because it's got these little things. So I kind of am able to just like set it in there. Hi. This is gonna be our tripod for the day. All right, for like 10-20 minutes, depending on what YouTube video I find, we're just gonna chill here on the couch, drink my coffee with Cal, and then we're gonna get to cleaning pretty soon because I want my like TikTok clean with me to go up by 11 a.m. no later, and it's currently 9. I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy my coffee, and watch the YouTube. Oh my gosh, don't spill it again, Cat. Let's get cleaning. Quickly before we do start cleaning though, I wanted to share how adorable is this? I got this a couple days ago from TJ Maxx and I'm obsessed. I have now decided that I want way more of these. This is the only little set like this that I have, but I 100% want so many more in my wardrobe. I feel like this makes me feel so put together while so cozy at the exact same time. And these slippers, if you're not new, you've seen them before. I wear them all the time. My sister got me them. They are from TJ Maxx as well. So my whole outfit is TJ Maxx.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
So today's quote of the video is actually a post I found on Instagram on the account at Our Mindful Life. I will have their page linked in the description, but the quote, I will have it posted here on the screen and I'm going to read it to you. So it says, "The best what ifs to ask yourself. What if I trust myself more? What if I stand up for myself? What if I try? What if I put myself first? What if I follow my passion? What if I say no?" The reason I love this so much is the message. I find that it's so easy to get in your head and start what-ifing all the worst possible scenarios, whether it's what if they don't like me, what if they laugh, what if I fail, what if I post this TikTok and nobody views it. But just as easy as it is to what if the worst possible scenarios, it's just as easy, if not easier, to what if the best possible scenarios. What if I do my presentation and everybody starts clapping as soon as I finish and telling me how amazing it is? What if I get into my dream college? What if I post that TikTok and I end up getting to do my dream career creating content? What if going to therapy teaches me so much about myself and I end up improving all relationships in my life? What if I take that class and I find a new passion that I never knew that I had? What if I tell my friend that what they did upset me and they're super understanding and they change their behavior and we grow so much closer because of it? What if I make the first move on this person I'm interested in and we end up getting married and having an entire happy life together? There's so many what ifs, and instead of focusing on the negative what ifs, I challenge you to focus on the positive what ifs, because there are so many of them. And at the end of the day, regardless of what ends up happening, if you go into it with a positive mindset, you're going to gain something from it. A huge tip I have is if you fill up your dishwasher and there's still overflowing dishes that could not fit, but you don't want to have like dishes all over your sink, a huge tip is to make sure that you still rinse them all off, rinse off all your dishes and put them away neatly in your sink. That way, whenever your dishwasher load is done, it's super easy to load it all up. So I had gotten this mirror from TJ Maxx. I really wanted to try putting one up here and moving my grandma's painting to the office, but I don't know if you could tell. I set you up like that. Can you tell? It's like a fun mirror. Like when you look at it from the top, it looks, I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but trust me, it's really bad. So we're currently repackaging it back up because this is going back to TJ Maxx.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only.
Also, I not redid, but I added a wreath above my makeup desk, and I also got a couple new things. So this makeup mirror I got from Amazon, I am in love with it. So I like how it closes so it can look a little nicer, and then it can open up. Hi. It's got a light like that. This is like a normal, that's normal, and then those are more like magnified. And then I like how you can just close it when you're not using it and it looks pretty. And then this is also from Amazon. I'll have both of these linked on my Amazon storefront. And then this I just got from TJ Maxx. How cute is it? It was $7. $7 for this little thing. I know I have to take the price tag off. I just haven't done that yet. And then I put this little greenery from Michael's in there. And now that it is a new month, I know today that I'm editing this and today that I'm posting this is Saturday, April 2nd. So we're not the first day of April anymore, but we are at the beginning of the month, a brand new month. So I would love for you to let me know in the comments, what is a big goal that you have for April or the spring and summer in general, whether it's, more of a tangible goal, like I want to write a few chapters of a book, or maybe it's I want to get back to the gym, or maybe it's I want to start writing self-love affirmations in the morning, or I want to start meditating, or I want to start listening to others more. It could be anything, but I'm curious, what is a goal that you have for yourself? And let me know in the comments, and I would just love to read through everybody's goals and what they want to achieve this month and what they're going to be putting time and effort towards.
Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
We are on track to have our TikTok live by 11 a.m. It is currently 10:27. I now have all my footage for my Sunday morning clean with me. Callie, you doing big stretch? So I'm gonna edit this, and then I think we're gonna go like do my hair, my makeup, kind of get ready for the day. Probably, maybe not makeup, I don't know, we'll see. But definitely change, because then Tim and I are gonna take Callie for a beach walk. You gonna go for caca ride and beach walk later? Yay! Look at her. I just can't, oh, I'm sorry. I can't comprehend how adorable you are.
Got me, believe in the magic.
It is currently 11:02 a.m. and my TikTok is uploading. Okay, I'm very excited. I'm very happy we got it done by around the time I wanted. I mean, 2 minutes late, but all right, I just posted it. Also, I just realized we also hit 12,000 on here. I'm so excited. I like the top drop that I have, but here's the video. We're gonna watch it all the way through. I'm gonna be the first to like it. And let me know in the comments if you also follow me on TikTok or if you found me from TikTok. I'm curious if you found my YouTube channel from my TikTok. Hi, Cal. Were you on the patio? Hey, Cal, what are you doing? Oh, you come up on a couch. Is there anything fun out on the patio? Hi. Look at her. Do you want to go for a caca ride? Do you want to go for a caca ride? You want to go for a caca ride? Do you want to go for a ride? Oh, wait, Callie. Do you want to go for a caca ride? Do you want to go for a caca ride? Do you want to go for a caca ride? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? You want to go for a caca ride?